Robotics in 3, 2, 1, go!
New Apple Core immediately with the launch for the Red Alliance. On blue, Saber gets their preload, goes back for the one right in front of them. Their alliance partner, Teutonic and RTR. RTR backs off for the lead points, not entirely out of that starting zone from what we can see up front. Drivers stepping forward now, taking control here in our teleop. Blue Alliance with the lead, 12-7. 3381 Droid Rage going up on the speaker for the Red Alliance. Their partners Cyberhawk 706 are joining right alongside them. Droid Rage getting a second in the same amount of time. New Apple Core makes their move toward the amp for the Red Alliance. 93, they're still lining up. They do launch. That note bounces off the front face of the amp. They very quickly recover. Line up once again in their amp zone, and 93 with a final nudge does get the first note scored in the Red Alliance amp. Blue has already scored their first and hit that co-op button, so we do have the handshake up on the screen. 15 notes required for both alliances to earn an additional ranking point in this match. Teutonic Force 5096 playing on the amp for the Blue Alliance. Meanwhile, 706 Cyberhawks, they are in the center of the field. Solid Robot Signal Light that has just come back to life, so maybe a quick reboot for 706. They're back in action here. Minute remaining in the match, tight score. Blue Alliance leads 26-22, 10 notes scored by the Blue Alliance. Cyberhawk 706 looks like they've chosen to play some defense. They're right up against Saber Robotics, giving them a bumper-to-bumper nudge right in front of the Blue Alliance subwoofer. That knocked them off their balance just enough for Saber Robotics to miss a launch. Now we see Teutonic Force coming back to the Blue Alliance side of the field. Cyberhawks is still there for the defense. Cyberhawks out in front of Saber and Teutonic. Again, Cyberhawks try to nudge Saber. Saber again bouncing a note up off the top of the speaker. Under 30 seconds remaining now. Red still in the lead, 34-26. And the Red Alliance has, in the meantime, scored 15 notes. Droid Rage and New Apple Core, both of them scoring a quick 2 more points. 17 notes now scored by that alliance. Saber Robotics, they're the first ones to get into that stage zone here in the final moments of the match. They'll get 3 points for being on stage, and looks like that will start to wrap up qualification match number 76. To win that match 41-31, they also did earn the Melody ranking point. That keeps New Apple Core in the #1 spot here in Wisconsin.
Get to the club in my taxi cab.